thing that you see, it's kami talaga yun. The camera's just rolling and we're just being ourselves. Everything you see is 100% authentic on cam. It's not scripted. There is no script. Andito ako sa Katie. I think they went to the salon. Dapat kanina pumunta kami kay Doc Rob kasi parang na-addict na si Katie sa Doc sa Cairo. Naayos kasi yung posture niya. So I was going to pick them up pero nasa salon pala sila. Ako naman, I had a hair appointment at 2 o'clock. And dito sa Thrima. And hindi ako pwede ma-late kasi this is inside the Shangri-La Mall. And kung mag-extend sila over mall hours, may penalty sila. So nakakaya naman kung dahil sa akin lang magkakaroon sila ng penalty, di ba? Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng Mr. B? Sino nakakaalam ng Mr. B? Sige nga, hulaan niyo ka. Hulaan niyo! Punta kayo together with Cap. Saan? Janet Ward. Saan? Hindi Mr. Brown. You know why she calls me Brown? You know why they call me Brown before? Kasi when we first met, no, it's not babe. When we first met, we met dyan sa States kasi concert niya. Wow. Concert niya, ako lang yung guest. Kami ni Jonalyn Viray. We were her guests. And since a lot of the songs that I was singing was Chris Brown songs, her and her team started calling me Brown. Chris Brown, also because my color was brown. So yun, that's where it came from. But Mr. B is not Mr. Brown, okay? Klaro ko lang. Hindi siya Mr. Brown. Kamukha ko ba si Katie ngayon? It's not Mr. Baum. Be. Mr. Be? It's not Mr. Be. It's not Mr. Brown. Hindi siya Mr. B. We got back yesterday. Nauna sila sa flight. Actually, same flight kasi kami. Hindi namin alam bakit may nag-email sa kanila. Siyempre, Team Cat yun and Team KL. When we're together, we're Team KKK. Right? So, of course, I booked my team's tickets. She booked her team's tickets. And for some reason, when I think it was April 4, mga April 3 or 4, nakatanggap sila ng email na they bumped their, no, it's not Mr. Bear. They bumped their flights to 1 p.m. Kasi kami, all of our flights dapat 6:40. So, nauna sila. And it worked out. Actually, it's crazy. Parang everything is aligning. The universe is doing its thing. And the reason I say this is because na-bump yung flights nila. Tapos nung na-bump yung flights nila, biglang nagkaroon ng taping si Kat. So, yung taping ni Chiki, the day she returned. That's why when she came back, nakahabol pa siya sa taping. So, it was a blessing in disguise yung nangyari. It was perfect timing yung nangyari. Na-move yung flight niya, nakapasok pa siya sa taping. Kasi wala talaga siyang taping nun. Sorry, dumigay ako. Mama Dodong! How are you, Mama Dodong? No, B is not for baby. Keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. Bakit di po kayo magkasama? Eh, hindi kami magkasama ngayon. Nasa salon siya. Nasa salon din ako. Kasi bukas may guesting kami kay Tito Boy. Mr. Bagal. Mr. Bagal ka dyan. Bagal ba? You know guys, what I said. One step at a time. Okay, hindi naman kailangan madaliin lahat. Important decisions, you take your time. Chris Lawrence Brown, because kayong mangging color skin. Nakakatawa nga kahapon kasi when we were on the boat, mukha akong bangkero dahil sa sunog ko. Pantay na yung kulay ko sa mga bangkero. Ooh, we got Korea. Annyeong sa'yo. Jezebel. Hi, Jezebel. Lagi ko nakikita yung post mo. Fruits and itlog. B is for Mr. Best Dad. Oh, I like that one. I wish it was that, but it's not. But thank you. Mr. Bomb. Daming nagsabi nun, pero hindi din yan. Yeah. Actually, nakabahan ako sa Tito Boy bukas eh. Mga yung mga tatanungin niya. Kinakabahan ako. Inip na po kaming lahat. Bakit kayong inip? Ano bang Sige nga, who said that? Zin. Ba't kayo naiinip? Only fools rush in. Oh, diba? NNRC. Yeah. Gusto lang namin good vibes. Happy. We want everything. May nagtanong ng question dyan. Yes. Babe yan, di pa, Pops? No, hindi siya babe, okay? Taga Busuanga. Oh, Busuanga's from, Coron, di ba? Jezebel. Siyempre. Nakikita namin laging post mo, Jezebel. Watching from Europe. What's up, Diana? Ala, mag-sponsor na daw. Mag-sponsor na daw sa kasal. Next! Uy, ang dami na natin dito. What's up? 10,000 people. Kain. Itlog. Today my diet is itlog and fruits. Kasi napadami kain ko sa sa El Nido. Sobrang sarap ng food. When we go island hopping, those 2 meals when we went sa island tapos doon sila nagluto. My God, sobrang sarap ng food. Shout out kay Ma'am Malu, Lola Zenny, Kuya Ian, Iwa, yung mga family ni Kat. Sobrang asikaso sila. Nakakataba ng puso kasi they really treat me and my team like family. Lalo na si Lola Zenny. Alam mo si Lola Zenny, paggising ko, she already cut my fruits, tas tinabihan pa niya ako ng fruits ko. Kasi alam niya hindi ako kumakain ng karne. So talagang meron akong special na plate, puro fruits lang. So nakakataba ng puso. It feels good pag sobrang inaalagaan ka ng ganon. Oh, and May 9, 20th anniversary 20th anniversary ata ni Nina. So, isa ako sa guest niya. Kasi lagi kaming magkasama sa abroad. Pag may concert siya, lagi ako yung guest niya. So, I love singing with Nina. Sobrang galing niya. We have, our voices have really good chemistry together. We blend very well. So, kung sino free dyan, May 9, may concert si Nina, tanongin ko si Chiki and si Katie kung gusto nila manood. Try ko silang dalhin. Kung walang taping si Chiki. Uy! Kakulat na ako dito. There's a question there. The answer to that question is yes. Nanonood ang Mimazur? What's a Mimazur? Sayang walang yung 3D since Kat Papa English Challenge. I think that was a good one. Nanood ba kayo ng English Challenge namin when we were on the beach? I thought that was funny. Mr. B stands for ballad. Nope. Marites pa more. Marites for some. What's magbunyi? Huh? What's magbunyi? Lalay. Yes daw. Yes daw. Dun sa tanong. Oh. Okay? That's all you need to know. Okay. Parang may delay ng konti, no? May delay. Gets ko. Gets ko na. So, yung sinasabi niyong yes, medyo, for me, that was like 4 or 5 minutes ago. So, ngayon pala, lumalabas sa inyo. Ano kaya tanong? Mag-scroll up ka na lang para makita mo. Mr. B is not for brown. No. Even though, yeah, brown starts with B, but it's not brown. It's not, Mr. B is not brown. But I am brown. I'm brown as hell right now. I'm brown AF. So guys, pag nag-air na yung guessing namin ni Tito Boy, at ganito yung kulay ko, wag niyo na akong okrayin ha. Alam niyo na kung bakit maitim ako. Kasi nag-enjoy kami sa beach. Gusto nga baguhin yung time para at least magpa-fresh ako ng konti. Whatever. Naka-schedule na. So, syempre, you have to be professional. I gotta be professional. Di ba nga sabi, yes. Love is a choice. Love is a decision. No pressure. Good vibes. Lang lagi. Sinagot ko na. Palawan. Kailan balik Palawan? Hindi ko pa alam. But, honestly, I wanna go back. Like soon. Oo nga, may delay. Sabi mo kasi dito, 10.9 thousand watching. Yung sa, dito ngayon, 11.7K. Marie Puther. No. Malika. Mr. Balikan. Wala. Yo! Tuloy lang. Okay lang.
Palawa na.
Banlaw.
Opo.
Okay. Sama kayo ha. Magbabanlaw na ako. Mr. Bully and Miss Bully. That's a good one. Okay. Wait lang ate ha. Manay Vlog. Nakikita ko din yung mga posts nyo. Natatawa ako dun sa mga lumalabas na AI. Grabe kayo. Ina-AI mo kami ni Kat. Ang dami nagsisend sa akin ng mga videos and photos namin na nagkikiss, nagkahug. Hindi naman nangyari yun, guys. Masyado mabilis naman kayo dyan. Bakit naging Dragon Ball hair? Kaya nga, yam. Dragon Ball eh. Let's see later to. Kamehameha. You guys like the color? Watching from Japan. From Japan. Let's just go to my room real quick, guys. And back to life. Put this down. Put this here. All right. I hope this month what? I hope this month para makapili pagbalik ko dito. This month what, Janet? Hawig na hawig ko yun ni Ketty. Si Ketty. Mali yung spelling mo, Ann. It's Katie. K-A-T-I-E. Hindi Ketty. Gusto namin siya makita sa personal. Ah, you might be Bisaya. That's why. Okay, okay. Naintindihan ko na. It's okay. Naging frosted na yung ano, no? So, paano yan ate? Magka-concentrate na lang tayo muna dito sa gitna? Hindi na dito? Buo pa rin?
Ulitin natin. Para po lang. Dilaw pa.
Pero kasi bukas magpapa-haircut ako, wala na to. Baka mag-scab lang yung anit ko dyan.
Okay. Sabihin ko kay sir.
Si Arjo, okay.
Yes.
Coincident man lang yung matchy-matchy niya na damit ni Katrin? Yes! That's what was ano, weird. I don't know if weird is the right word, but that was ano, nice hair color. Hindi and RC hindi pa to. That was a little, it was very coincidental. Every time she came out of her room and I came out of my room, we were always wearing the same color. At hindi yan planado. Kaya, I guess, great minds think alike. Mr. Naruto. Kaya nga, ano ba yan? Nice hair color. It matches your skin tone. Where is Miss B? I think after the salon, they went to Cairo. So if they're done with the Cairo, umuwi na. Ako kasi, I'm gonna be here. When I do my hair, guys, it takes me 6 hours kasi kailangan i-bleach yung lightening. Kailangan i-lighten para yung toner makuha ko yung totoong kulay. So I'm always the last man standing here at 3 ma. So I'll probably be here till like 8 p.m. It's that long. Oo daw, sinabi niya earlier, Loida. Shoot, ang babalat na ako dito. Paz, bagay ang hair color. Hindi pa to, guys, at hindi ako lalabas ng ganito yung kulay. Hindi ko gusto yung kulay to sa akin. It's not very giving. Okay, it's not giving, guys. Just wait. Mga tatlong patong pa. Nandiyan nangangati na to. Oof. Ito lang itanong natin para di tago maguluhan. You're late to the party. I already answered that, and I said I'm gonna answer it once and once only. All right, and I answered it. Napaulit-ulit, di ba? Q&A gusto nyo? Guys, good vibes lang tayo ha. Let's keep it good vibes. For parents, for babies, Q&A, most memorable moment in Palawan. Sure. Wait, bring this closer. There was actually a lot of memorable moments in Palawan. Napakadami. But if I can think of one most memorable moment in Palawan, it was marami. Especially the last night after nag-video okay tapos nag-bar hopping kami. Tagal ko hindi kasi nag-bar hopping, and I'm sure siya din. So we went bar hopping with our team and entourage, and it was so fun. Makikita niyo yan sa sa lalabas namin vlogs and reels. So yeah. And it was the first time I drank Red Horse in I think like 6 years. I don't normally drink, so nung nagbukas sila ng Red Horse, si Chiki uminom. Tapos nag-cheers sila. Tapos may nagtanong sa akin, sabi like, oh grabe, si Chiki nag-Red Horse. Nung sinabi nila yun, sabi ko, sige na nga, ako na din. Kung nag-Red Horse siya, ako din, mag-Red Horse din ako. Lakas pala ng Red Horse. I think I only had 4 stallions, and I was I got like 75 to 80% drunk. May allergy ka daw po ba sa balahibo? Yes, may allergy ako sa balahibo ng aso. And every time I go to Katie's place in Miss B, nangangati yung mata ko. Even me at home, I have 2 dogs. I have Pablo and CJ. But I have air purifiers and air filters all over my house, all over my condo. Sa skin. May buhok ba dito?
Yes, sir.
Meron?
Okay. Baka hindi magpantay.
Cute ni Delilah, bagong pet. Yes, Delilah is Katie's favorite song. Kaya kinanta namin yun ng isang gabi. Actually, every night tumatambay siya dun. Gusto niya lang mag-video okay. All night. When was the last time kinilig ang isang Chris Lawrence? That's a good question. Single nga ni. Sir, kamusta po si Miss... It's not Mrs. B, guys. It's Miss B. But I know gusto niyo maging Mrs. B, so... Kayo na lang magsabi. It's Miss B, okay? Miss B. Hi, Mr. One Step at a Time. Hello, Christina. Bakit chick ang tawag niya kay Kat? Real name pa ba yan? No, that's not her real name. Ano lang? It's her nickname from a long, long time ago. Will I have a concert with Katie? Yes, sana. That's one of my dreams, to have it with my daughter. Baka Mr. Bolero ang Mr. B. Grabe ka naman, G. For you, what's the best Filipino food? That's such a hard one. Filipino food, I might be biased, but I think Filipino food is the best food in the world. And I've tasted a lot of food. Filipino food talaga is the best in the world. My favorite Filipino food would probably be... There's a lot, guys. Sinigang is one of my favorites. But I like putting chicken, since I don't eat beef or pork anymore. Sinigang na chicken, which is... what's the name of that again? Sinampalukan. And I like it with a lot of... Tinola with a lot of malunggay. Chicken tinola or mushroom tinola. And I put so much malunggay in there. Kasi I'm a health buff. I love health, and malunggay is such a blessing for us here in the Philippines. Kasi in the States, bihira yung malunggay na yan. At ang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng malunggay sa States. Bihira mo din makikita. Napakadaming benefits kasi ng malunggay, di ba? And, you know, we always want to be healthy. Always trying to help Katie eat more vegetables. Trying to sneak it in there. I know kids don't really like vegetables kasi, di ba? But, of course, kailangan natin turuan. And the end game of this, everything here is, we're here trying to be the best versions of ourselves, right? That's why we're here. Ow. That's why we're here. We're here trying to be the best versions of ourselves. Tayo lang naman nakaka-correct ng kung sino tayo, di ba? Trust the process nga ni. Trust the process nga ni. Sinabi niya kasi for content lang naman. No, guys. You know, everything that you see, yes, we're shooting content, but everything that you see, it's kami talaga yun. The camera's just rolling and we're just being ourselves. Everything you see is 100% authentic on cam. It's not scripted. There is no script. Yes, there's shoot days, right? We have our schedule for shooting, because of course we have to, you know, schedule Lara. We have to schedule Kathy. Lara is mine and Kathy is hers. So, syempre, we have to respect their schedules, and kailangan namin i-schedule yung mga shooting days namin. But yung shooting day na yun, wala naman talagang plano. Okay? So they're just rolling in. Whatever you see is talagang that's how we are. So thank you. Thank you guys for all the support. Pinapadami nyo talaga yung views namin, and nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And we're gonna try our best to keep this going so everybody's happy. Everybody has good, you know, good vibes. Nanligaw ka na ba kay... I don't know. Let's not answer that right now, because let's just wait. Let's wait for Tito Boy. Di ko naman siya nililigawan, but you know, I'm a nice person. I'm just being nice. Some people might see that as something else, but I'm just trying to be nice and a gentleman. Siyempre, yung mga ibang parts dun yung content, like hers, yung Q&A, diba? So may mga questions yun. But that part, si Jelay ang nagsulat ng question. So minsan nagugulat na lang si Chiki na yun pala yung question. And of course me, I'm answering it on the spot. So there's really nothing scripted about those parts. And the who's most likely, of course, kilala namin isa't isa. And you know, there's no reason for that to be scripted either. When we go eat, when we were at City of Dreams, when we were at El Nido, there's nothing scripted about that, guys. I mean, the camera's just rolling. So what you see is what you get. Pages of my heart. Lagi ko nakikita niyo yung mga post nyo. Galing nyo mag-AI, ha? Pero yung mga ginagawa nyo para kay Katie, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Katie sa mga post nyo. Wala na kayong tatanungin? And live muna ako ha, may mga gagawin lang ako. Alright? Mag-email pa ako. So thank you guys for joining me for this short while dito sa Facebook. And abangan nyo ang mga ilalabas namin mga vlogs and reels. Yung reels dito, yung vlogs sa YouTube. So, I think sino ba yung maglalabas muna? Ako yata yung first vlog of El Nido. So, abangan niyo yan. Okay? Salamat guys. And salamat Rima.